Hi friends, hope you liked the intro. This video is about how to make an indoor boomerang. This is our channel, Do You Know? Now the things we will be needing are a 0.5 mm thickness sheet. I'm using a notebook's cover. If you don't have anything, you can stick two A4 sheets together. And you're also going to learn how to design a boomerang, so you'll be needing a pencil, scale, a compass and a protractor. And finally, a magical scissor. Just kidding, it's an ordinary scissor, except it's my phone's flash. The final design of our boomerang will be like this. It's a 3-winged boomerang. As you can see, I have drawn some basic things and I'm going to explain how I drew it. First, using your pencil and scale, measure the top border and mark its center. Then do the same to the side border. Now if you join the 2 points, you will get the midpoint of the sheet. Now measure the maximum distance you can draw a line from the center point to the top border. In my case it is 10.5 cm, and that is also the measurement for the other two lines, and the angle between the lines is 120 degree. 120 degree makes all the wings symmetrical. Using your protractor, mark a point which is 120 degrees from the vertical line. And this should be done from both sides of the vertical line. The reason we are using 120 degree is, if you split 360 into 3, you will be getting 120. For the same 10.5 cm length, draw a line from the center through the points. Now we got our basic structure for the boomerang. After that, we are going to draw a circle and its radius is 2.5 cm. For that, use your compass. Take the measurement of 2.5 cm and draw a circle from the midpoint. And then extend the 3 lines from the midpoint to the circle, like I have done it. Then, using your scale, measure the distance between the 2 points. In my case, it is 4.5 cm. Add 1 cm to that measurement and mark 2 points at the end of the line. So if you split 5.5 into 2, you will be getting 2.75 on the left side as well as the right side. This will decide the width of the wings. Now do the same to all the lines. While you're doing this, make sure you're doing it precise, because all the wings of a boomerang should be symmetrical. If not, it won't return to your hand. After that, using your scale, join all the points you have marked. This will give the outline of our boomerang. Now use your compass and measure 3 cm and draw an arc like I'm doing. And without bending the paper, cut the outline. This will give you the boomerang shape. But for getting the boomerang's ability, you have to make some bends. For right hand throwers, make the bend on the left side of the wing. For the left hand throwers, make the bend on the right side of the wing. For doing this, you can use your pencil or the edge of your desk. A slight bend is enough to do the trick. Don't do it more than 10 degrees. So now our boomerang will return to the thrower. So now it's testing time. Oh wait, I almost forgot one more thing. You can also make these kinds of bends. This will reduce the distance traveled by the boomerang inside your house, which means you can use the boomerang in smaller rooms too. And also make sure to bend all the wings equally. And also you can mark the top side of the boomerang, so that when you throw the boomerang, the top side should be facing your cheeks. Alright, come on, let's go and test it. I hope you all enjoyed the video, and for more videos don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you in our next video. Until then, stay safe. And this is our channel, Do You Know?